You ever take apart a machine, maybe a car engine or a washing machine? If you have, you know that these machines are made up of countless parts, each with a specific role. You see all these different parts, each with its own job. Some parts are big and obvious, like the engine block or the drum, while others are small and intricate, like screws and wires. The human body's like that. It's a complex machine with countless components working in harmony. We got tissues, the building blocks of our organs and systems. These tissues are like the parts of a machine, each with a unique function that contributes to the overall operation. Tissues are groups of similar cells working together. Think of them as specialized teams in a factory, each team with a specific task to keep the factory running smoothly. For instance, muscle tissue is responsible for movement. Without it, we wouldn't be able to walk, run, or even lift a finger. Nervous tissue, on the other hand, is like the communication network of the body. It sends signals from one part of the body to another, ensuring everything works in sync. Connective tissue is the glue that holds everything together. It provides support and structure, ensuring that our organs and systems stay in place. And then there's epithelial tissue, the focus of our little chat today. This tissue is like the protective layer of our body, covering both the inside and outside. Epithelium's like the drywall, the tile, the protective layer on the outside and inside of your body. It lines our organs, blood vessels, and cavities, acting as a barrier against harmful substances. It's everywhere, and it does way more than you might think. It plays a crucial role in absorption, secretion, and sensation. So let's grab our metaphorical toolboxes and dive into the world of epithelial tissue. We'll explore its various types, functions, and why it's so essential to our health. Trust me, it's way more interesting than staring at drywall. By the end of this journey, you'll have a newfound appreciation for this incredible tissue that keeps us protected and functioning. So let's get started and uncover the fascinating world of epithelial tissue together. Ready? Let's dive in. Epithelium, or epithelial tissue, is like the protective film on your phone screen. Just as that film shields your phone from scratches and smudges, the epithelium acts as a crucial barrier for your body. It's the barrier between your insides and the outside world. This tissue is your body's first line of defense, standing guard against a myriad of potential threats. Think skin, the lining of your gut, the inside of your mouth. These are all examples of epithelial tissue, each playing a vital role in maintaining your health. It's all epithelium, working hard to keep the good stuff in and the bad stuff out. This tissue is constantly on the job, ensuring that harmful substances are kept at bay while allowing essential nutrients and gases to pass through. This tissue is all about close connections. The cells are so tightly packed that they form a nearly impenetrable barrier. Epithelial cells are tightly packed together like bricks in a wall with very little space between them. This tight packing is crucial for their protective function. This helps form a continuous sheet, a barrier against invaders like bacteria and viruses. The integrity of this barrier is essential for preventing infections and maintaining overall health. But epithelium's not just a passive wallflower, it's an active participant in your body's defense mechanisms. It's got some serious multitasking skills. Beyond just being a barrier, it plays several other critical roles. It helps regulate what passes in and out of your body, absorbs nutrients in your gut, and even secretes hormones. These functions are vital for maintaining homeostasis and ensuring that your body operates smoothly. Pretty impressive for a bunch of cells, right? The epithelium is a testament to the complexity and efficiency of the human body, showcasing how even the smallest units work together to keep us healthy and protected. Let's talk types of epithelium. First up, simple epithelium. This is the minimalist of the bunch, just a single layer of cells, thick. It's all about efficiency, perfect for places where things need to move across quickly. Take your lungs, for example. They're lined with simple squamous epithelium, thin and flat cells that allow oxygen to slip through easily. It's like breathing through a silk handkerchief, smooth and effortless. Then there's simple cuboidal epithelium, found in places like your kidneys. These cells are shaped like little cubes, perfect for secretion and absorption. Think of them as tiny sponges, soaking up and releasing fluids. Sometimes you need a tougher barrier. That's where stratified epithelium comes in. It's like simple epithelium on steroids, with multiple layers of cells stacked on top of each other for extra protection. Think of your skin, constantly exposed to the elements. It's made of stratified squamous epithelium, layers upon layers of cells that get flatter as they reach the surface. It's like wearing a suit of armor protecting you from scrapes, bumps, and the occasional paper cut. Your mouth, esophagus, and even your, well, let's just say certain other areas also have stratified epithelium. It's the bouncer of the tissue world, keeping things safe and sound in high-traffic zones. Section 5, pseudostratified epithelium, the illusion of layers. Now this one's a bit of a trickster. Pseudostratified epithelium looks like it's got multiple layers, but it's actually just one layer of cells playing dress-up. All the cells touch the basement membrane, but their nuclei are at different levels, creating an illusion of stratification. You'll find this type of epithelium in your respiratory tract, where it helps trap dust and debris with its cilia, little hair-like projections that sweep gunk away from your lungs. It's like having tiny brooms constantly cleaning up your airways. Pseudostratified epithelium proves that appearances can be deceiving, even in the microscopic world. But hey, as long as it gets the job done, right? Section 6, glandular epithelium, your body's chemical factories. Ever wonder where hormones come from or how your stomach churns out digestive juices? Meet glandular epithelium, the master chemists of the tissue world. These specialized cells are all about secretion, producing and releasing substances that your body needs. Endocrine glands, like your pancreas and thyroid, release hormones directly into your bloodstream. It's like having tiny messengers traveling throughout your body, keeping everything in check. Exocrine glands, on the other hand, secrete substances onto surfaces. Think sweat glands cooling you down, salivary glands helping you digest food, and well, let's just say there are other glands that are pretty important for reproduction. Section 7, epithelium in action from skin to stomach. Let's take a tour of your body and see epithelium in action. Your skin, the largest organ in your body, is a prime example of stratified squamous epithelium at work, shielding you from the elements. Move on to your digestive system, where simple columnar epithelium lines your stomach and intestines, absorbing nutrients from your food. It's like a team of tiny chefs, breaking down your meals and sending the good stuff into your bloodstream. Your respiratory system relies on pseudostratified epithelium to keep your airways clear, while your kidneys use simple cuboidal epithelium to filter waste products from your blood. From head to toe, epithelium is working tirelessly to keep you alive and kicking. Section 8. Keeping your epithelium healthy. Just like any hard-working tissue, epithelium needs some TLC to stay in tip-top shape. Hydration is key, as it helps keep cells plump and functioning properly. Think of it like watering your lawn, keeping everything lush and green. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals provides the building blocks for healthy cell growth and repair. And don't forget about protecting your skin from the sun's harmful rays. Sunscreen is your friend, folks. By taking care of your body, you're also taking care of your epithelium, the unsung hero working behind the scenes to keep you healthy. Section 9. The importance of understanding your tissues. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the basics of tissues to the intricacies of epithelial tissue. Tissues are the building blocks of our organs and play a crucial role in maintaining our body's structure and function. Without them, our organs wouldn't be able to perform their specific tasks efficiently. But why does any of this matter? Why should we invest time in understanding something that seems so microscopic and insignificant in our daily lives? Because understanding how your body works, down to the cellular level, empowers you to make informed decisions about your health. When you know how your tissues function, you can better appreciate the importance of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Knowing about epithelial tissue helps you understand why it's important to protect your skin, stay hydrated, and maintain a proper skincare routine. Your skin is your body's first line of defense against external threats, and taking care of it is essential for overall health. And eat a balanced diet. A balanced diet provides the necessary nutrients that your tissues need to repair and regenerate, ensuring that your body functions optimally. It helps you appreciate the amazing complexity of your own body and the countless processes happening inside you every second. From the circulation of blood to the regeneration of cells, your body is a marvel of biological engineering. So next time you think about your body, don't just think about muscles and bones. Consider the intricate network of tissues that support and sustain every movement, every breath, and every heartbeat. Remember the unsung heroes, the epithelial cells working tirelessly to keep you alive and thriving. These cells are constantly renewing and repairing themselves, ensuring that your body remains resilient and adaptable. It's a tough job, but somebody's got to do it. And that somebody is your body's tissues, working around the clock to keep you healthy and strong. So, take a moment to appreciate the incredible work happening inside you every day.